Tristan, are you playing hooky from school today? Yes. Did you wake up feeling really warm this morning? You just wanted to play hooky with mommy, didn't you? Yeah. Doesn't look like we are sick now. Tristan, do we feel sick today? No? I didn't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. Yes, you got the string to the camera. Yep, somebody's feeling better. We're just playing hooky. Our first time playing hooky. We're not even 2.